Hello everyone, I am Jaideep Lokur. Today we will start our journey in the area of sales and distribution. Earlier we talked about organizational structure at a very high level. Now onwards we will deep dive in sales and distribution organization structure. As we know that the organization units in SAP system represent the structure of a company. This we discussed in our earlier videos. The main organization units in SAP sales and distribution are sales organization and distribution channel. Other organizational units are also required for sales and distribution, such as company code, plant. They are very much required. So, in sales and distribution, the important organization units are company code, sales area. Sales area means it is a combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Plant, storage location, shipping point. Now let's see these organization units one by one. The first, company code. Company code is smallest organization unit of financial accounting. This is the organization unit for which complete self-contained set of accounts can be drawn for the purpose of external accounting. Company code can represent a company within corporate group or a subsidiary. So you will be asking how this organization unit is relevant for sales and distribution. The revenues of sales department are assigned to company code. Company code is legal entity and independent accounting unit. At company code level, you can create balance sheets required by law, profit and loss statement. Now let's move to the sales organization unit. For doing sales, you need at least one sales organization. You can have many sales organizations as well. When you talk about sales volume, statistics, sales organization is highest summation level. All sales and distribution documents are assigned to sales organization. Document means sales orders, deliveries, and billing documents. The sales organization is assigned to only one and only one company code. But for one company code, you can have multiple sales organizations as well. What is the importance of sales organization? Sales organization distribute goods and services to the customer. The sales conditions are negotiable at sales organization level. As an example, if your organization is only in one country, you can have one sales organization. If your organization is in US, Germany, and India, that is three countries, you can have per country one sales organization. Please note that this is only example. You can define sales organization based on your needs. Now let's move to the another organization unit, distribution channel. Distribution channel is assigned to at least one sales organization. You can assign distribution channel to multiple sales organizations as well. For example, if organization is doing direct sales can be a distribution channel. If the business is done through dealer, you can have dealer as another distribution channel. You can also define distribution channel in different way, as your domestic sales is one distribution channel, whereas foreign sales is another distribution channel. The distribution channels are used to define the responsibilities. You can have at a distribution channel level the flexible pricing structure. For example, domestic market you can have a different price structure, and in export market you can have a different price structure. This can be differentiated by using distribution channel. Nowadays, a lot of sales happen through internet. Internet trade can be also a distribution channel. Now let's talk about division. The materials or services you are selling can be grouped by using a division. Division can represent a product group. You can have your statistics based on to division. If you are having multiple product groups, then you can have different price agreements based on to the customer for the customers based on to the division. The each product group, if you have a specialized team who are dealing for your sales, then you can use division to differentiate them. So if a company is selling consumer goods and also they are in automobile, then these are the two separate product groups. The qualification, the experience required for those sales group is a different, and that is where you can differentiate these two sales groups based on to a division. So now we talked about sales organization, distribution channel, and division. The combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division is called as sales area. The sales document is assigned to only one and one sales area. The sales area belongs to only one company code. For doing sales, at least one sales area to be defined in the system. While various sales documents are created, such as sales order document, delivery document, billing document, when you create sales document, you will be accessing various master data such as customers, materials. You can access only that customer data or only that customer or only that material which is maintained for that sales area. Similarly, the prices, discounts are maintained for that sales area and you can access them. There are various validity checks based onto sales area. It is very important that organization structure should be very simple. If you develop or if you do the complex organization structure, it will increase the complexity of your solution. For example, you are having the customers and materials, right? You need to extend them to all the organization structure, and then basically your complexity will go up. Now let us talk about organization unit in distribution. Plant is either a manufacturing facility or a stocking location. To differentiate the stock within the plant, storage locations are used. The plant and storage location are organization units used in all logistics area in SAP. The plant represents the location from where the goods are delivered to the customer. The plant from which you deliver the goods is also called as delivering plant in sales and distribution. For doing sales, you need at least one plant. The plant is assigned to only one company code. The plant need to be assigned at least one combination of sales organization and distribution channel. You can assign one plant to multiple sales organization and distribution channel combinations. The plant is very much essential to determine shipping point. Shipping point is the highest level of organization unit of shipping that controls your shipping activity. Each outbound delivery is done by only one shipping point. Shipping point can be rail depot, truck loading bay, port, etc. Each shipping point to be assigned to one plant at least. You can have multiple shipping points for one plant. So that's what I wanted to discuss with you today. Now in next unit, we will take one example of organization structure within sales and distribution and discuss in detail. Also, we will discuss few of the key takeaways from what we discussed today in next unit. Till then, bye and thank you.